is up, Web3 crew? Chris Atuman's right here at Istanbul, Turkey for Solana Crossroads, and I'm with Mr. Dev of Seedplex. How are you today?
Phenomenal, each and every day.
And how's the event so far?
It's really great. Meeting a lot of old friends, making some new friends. It's been a good time.
And is this your first time to attend Solana Crossroads?
Yeah, so this is my first time in Istanbul, first time at Solana Crossroads. Very excited.
You flew in all the way from?
Chicago.
Wow.
10-hour flight.
10 hour
10-hour flight.
10-hour flight. So when did you arrive?
6 a.m. yesterday, and then we went to the Moonwalk Walk, which was really nice.
Yeah.
Walked around Istanbul for like 3-4 hours. Checked out a lot of the cool spots. It was very nice.
Okay. Now let's talk about Seedplex and tell us a bit about background of Seedplex.
Yeah, so Seedplex is about one of the challenges that I have as a founder in crypto and previously building companies was whenever we thought about launching a token, there's no concept of a security token on crypto. And what I mean by that is if you hold the token, it doesn't actually tie into the value of the company itself. And so you see meme coins, you see governance tokens, etc. These are all great speculative instruments, but they're not securities. They don't have investor protections, they don't have investor entitlements, etc. So Seedplex is about taking things like pre-seed and seed equities. So like if you're a startup founder, you're a convertible debt offering, whatever, any of these things, and you want to offer that equity as a token, we can make that possible. What's more is now you can take that equity and you can also turn it into a money Lego, which is the promise of like crypto as a whole. A really easy example of this is like I'm a startup founder or I'm an investor. I have 40% equity in a company or 10% equity in a company. I can now borrow or lend against it. I can actually use it in a useful way instead of waiting years for an exit.
That's very interesting. At least you're doing it in a useful way.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think is the future impact of Seedplex in the ecosystem?
I think we're trying to legitimize what it means to be a crypto token holder, right? I think crypto tokens are great because they're great speculative instruments, but so we offer our offerings through something called Regulation D in the US. Basically, over $1.5 trillion gets spent by investors to invest in companies using Regulation D. That's a lot of money that we can bring into crypto investing if we had a legitimate platform to do that through. So that's what we're trying to do, legitimize the space a bit.
After Crossroads, Solana Crossroads, where are you heading to next, or any upcoming events or future projects to launch?
Yeah, I'll be at Token in Dubai with my co-founder Tregs over there. We're very excited. Last time we were in Dubai, there was a natural disaster. It got rained out. We still had a good time, but hopefully that doesn't happen this time around. So we're excited for Dubai.
What can we expect for Seedplex this 2025?
We're going to be launching our product in like maybe 2 to 3 months. And then if you're a startup looking to raise, it's a great way to offer investors a usable equity that they can borrow, lend against, they can use as a money Lego in DeFi. And yeah, just overall, just a useful way to do equity on chain.
For future collaborations or partners, then are you guys open for it?
Yeah, you can reach out at dev@seedplex.io.
All right. Last question. What do you think is the future of money?
I think the future of money is that it gets globalized, right? One of the things the reason I'm in crypto is that I really believe in globalization. I travel around the world, and Solana, USDC on Solana is the easiest way to transfer money from one person to another, right? It's not Venmo, it's not Chase, it's not whatever. Being able to do all of that with digital dollars or digital anything, I think is really, really powerful.
Thank you so much, Dev. I had fun really talking to you. Now describe Solana Crossroads in one word. Let's go.
Exciting, phenomenal, bombastic.
10 more words. 10 more words.
we'll just spin up a syllabus. No, I'm having a really great time. This is my first time in Istanbul. I think Crossroads is a really interesting conference because it's just like I've never been to the city, and this city is just amazing.
Okay, thank you so much. And there you have it. I hope you get a lot of insights from here. More to come all here at FOMO, the future of money.